Hey guys, this is Julian with Julian Tech Reviews, and we're here with another unboxing of a case for your iPhone 17 Pro Max Cosmic Edition, or any other edition that you want. This is the BENKS Grand Combo Case Protection for your 17 Pro Max, and we're going to get into it. But before we get into it, please like, subscribe to this channel. We greatly appreciate it. Thank you for all the love and support. But without further ado, let's get it started. So I got this in the mail from BENKS, and I appreciate their support. They've been excellent when it comes to the case. They use nothing but the best Kevlar, dew point Kevlar that is, for their cases, and it's very thin. So it's almost like it's barely there, and they have a nice little design pattern, and they have a nice little story that goes along with the color choices they've used. So this is curated for any type of phone that you have, but today we have the Grand Combo set. And then here it is in its glory. You're gonna get this when it comes in the mail. And this is a $79.99 combo case. And you can get it on the website, and I'll have the link below. And then also for an incentive, if you want to get a discount, you can use my code Julian15, and I'll have that link below, and it's somewhere on one of these corners that you can use, and you get additional 15% off, bringing it down to $68 to give full protection for your 17 Pro Max. So let's go ahead and take a look at what we have. Just a quick disclaimer, I've already unboxed it and opened it just because I wanted to test it out, for you without going through all the instructions and boxes and things like that. So I've been using it for a couple of days, and I have a good review of it, but let's just look and see what's in the box per se. So you'll get this nice box that says Van Glow, a night sky held close. So once again, they got a theme case here. So there's a little pull tab right here that you can pull, and then you could easily pull this out. I'll just do it over here on the side, and then voila, you got BENKS, more wording from BENKS. Let's go ahead and put that on the side over there. So then you open it up this way, and you get the sensation of a nice kind of like YouTube kit version of a case. And then let's see what's included. So it says protect better, and it says 100 million plus happy customers, 3,000 partners worldwide, 70 plus countries, brand strength, all this information right here. So in the box you get a ring holder, which is about $26 on their website. You get your phone case in this box, and then they also provide you with a lanyard, because if you know about iPhones and how delicate they are, they're easily droppable, and you don't want that to happen unless you have ultimate protection. But since this is such a thin protection, they decided to include a lanyard with it. So you got the three things. This is the Grand Combo. And the color hue that they have is azure blue, as I mentioned. And the story behind the azure blue, or the horizon plan, is that a hue is born of distant heights, serene yet enduring, and echoing the quiet strength of the peaks, threads that breathe in silence, interlacing like calm horizons, woven to protect, crafted to remain. So that's the story of why you got this nice pattern here, which is very different from the other cases they do have on the lineup and for their other phones. But let's just go ahead and get a couple of specs out there. So you got Kevlar fiber. It's MagSafe, as you can see on the other side. This is called the Grand Combo for the ArmorGrid, the grid here, armor. It's aluminum alloy, parts of it right here. And it's a 1.2 millimeters thickness. It weighs about 22.2 grams, and it has the magnetic force 9.2 N, which is very, very big and strong in this case and in the industry. One of the best, I would say. So you have the three items in, and it comes in really quick, real shipping. So without further ado, those are pretty much all of the specs. Let's go ahead and line it up for you. slapping on my 17 Pro Max I have here. So you have the Cosmic Orange, and it has that little surface here that you can, it'll still show when you put it on. But I want you to be careful whenever you get one of these, because even though this is so thin, I'm afraid sometimes you might, pull it to a certain level where it might break or not. But just keep that in mind. Do it this way. This is the sure way to get you going. So as you can see, and be careful whenever you pull in the lanyard out, there is a black piece that is included in it, and it's separate, so it's easily thrown away. So just be careful about that. There is a hook on that black piece that you put inside of your case that you can clasp to your key ring right here. So you got to put that in first, flip it through the charging hole, and then attach. So just keep that in mind when you're assembling the lanyard in the case. And then all you have to do is just start from the bottom, put it in there, and they kind of fit towards the side. And then at the top, you gotta make sure that you cover it over, and then voila, there it is. You have your case, and it's already attached, and this is what it's gonna look like whenever you have it on, if you have the Cosmic Orange like I do. Now the other colors will look, various, hues, but this one is very nice. So there it is in all its glory. Then you have the matching magnetic ring. Just go ahead and plop that on there. And I would say my first day of using it, it is very useful to have this magnetic ring, because not only does it double up as a stand, and it has like 180 degrees. I mean, I'm sure you can go more, but there's no use for that after that. You can do it that way. It has this pull area where you have like a little hole for your finger, and you can use it to easily rest your finger there. So my ideal combo when you pick up your phone is to get the lanyard, put your arm through, pull out the pull tab here, and there you go. You won't lose your iPhone or drop it on accident, because once you drop this, there's the lanyard. And that's the idea. Now, I'm sure you're wondering, what am I going to do about the front display? There's no protection there. Well, you can spend another $28 on the website, or 15% off of that, and get you a Glass Warrior screen protector. This one has HD clarity and transparency, even with the sunlight. And then it has enhanced explosion proof, and it's scratch resistant, and it's designed specifically for the 17 Pro Max. It has a sapphire coating, which includes a rating of 9H for their hardness. So you can get not only the grand combo, but you can also get a Glass Warrior screen protector, which you will need for your iPhone no matter what. Now, I've already installed it on there, so you don't have to worry about me going through the process of that. Now, I like to look at some instructions, but I kind of like to feel my way through. When you get the glass protector, you're gonna get this kind of like combo glass protector with the sticker that you just kind of easily put on, because they're making them easier now. You don't have to be a Best Buy member to do that. So you can also it also comes with this little pad. So you put your pad right here, and you put this on the top, and they'll give you the numbers that say 1, 2, and 3. And then if I didn't have my case on, it would be easily fit there. So it would look like this, but without this little case, just like that. And then you would just pull through, and it'll glide right on there. And as you can see, it's on there with no issues. So pretty cool case. I got light everywhere, so no problem there. But yeah, like I said before, BENKS does it again. I mean, they did the grand combo. I think this is the only grand combo, because this is a special release from Apple. I'm assuming because it's a design change or something, or BENKS wised up and got a little bit more sophisticated with their cases. But it is a very great presentation. You have no problem with MagSafe. Throughout my journey, I've had no issue with MagSafe. You have all of your buttons exposed, so you don't have to worry about, the buttons being in their positions, covered with anything that's restricting it. And then you have your surface just wide open right here. So let me know what you think in the comments. Once again, this is Julian Tech Reviews. Don't forget to use the code Julian15 to get 15% off the BENKS website. Once you decide to get this nice grand combo, save you some money, less than 80 bucks, you can have your iPhone 17 Pro Max and the Pro that's also on there, fully covered and protected. Thank you for joining me. Peace.